The president wants an in-depth and comprehensive audit of all flood control projects completed, under construction, or still to begin, by way of a thorough multi-agency assessment to determine the real construction status. This report. Archie rushes to pack up his vegetable goods every time heavy rains pours down. His stall in Barangay Santa Lucia, Pasig City is often hit by flooding.
Siraan po ko ng mga prutas, mga gulay kasi hindi naman may benta ng maayos. Alas pagbagyo po, malaki pong dagok po yun sa amin kasi malaki po yung nalulugi sa amin. Pag ganun po, marami pong nasira.
According to the Sumbong mo sa Pangulo website initiated by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., Barangay Santa Lucia is among the areas listed with flood control projects. But residents say every time it rains,
siyempre natatakot ma'am dahil bahang-baha. Pati sa loob, hirap na hirap kami mag-akyat ng mga gamit. Pati yung mga freezer na buwal, ganon.
President Marcos has ordered the Regional Project Monitoring Committee to inspect all flood control projects nationwide, record the findings, and have the Department of Economy, Planning and Development, or DepDev, consolidate the data at the soonest possible time.
Existing ba yung project? Pangalawa, operational ba? Pangatlo, kung effective. So lahat po ng naipon na records ng RTMC, isusumiti po ito sa DepDev at yung consolidated po ang siya mismong ibibigay po sa Pangulo.
The investigation will be conducted jointly by the DepDev, the Department of Budget and Management, or DBM, the Department of Interior and Local Government, or DILG, the Presidential Management Staff, and will also be open to people's organizations. Yesterday, the president revealed that 60% of nearly 10,000 flood control projects in the past 3 years lack complete details. It remains unclear if these were built, repaired, or rehabilitated. Some had different locations but the same design and cost, while provinces that received the most projects were not the areas with the highest flood risk. It was also found out that only 15 contractors out of 2,000 entities were awarded almost 100 billion pesos worth of flood control projects. For future projects, the palace says,
magiging mas stricto. Meron nga po tayong nakita. May mga dati ng blacklist. Blacklist, kasama na sa blacklist. Pero nag-iba ng pangalan. Pero ngayon ay para namamayagpag pa rin. So dapat yun po yung bantayan natin at maging mapanuri tayo sa kanilang mga naging trabaho. Kahit malapit sa puso, kahit kaibigan, wala pong sisinuhin ng Pangulo. Mananagot ang dapat managot.
The palace is urging local governments, politicians with knowledge of anomalies, and the public to report irregular flood control projects through the Sumbong mo sa Pangulo website.
Magre-report po talaga ako kasi isa po kami sa mga apektado po lalo na sa mga baha. Malaki po yung nawawala sa amin.
This is Sharms Espina from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.